Namaste, dear friends. My name is Tamal and I'm originally from Israel, but for the last 16 years I've been living in India, in West Bengal, in a place called Sridham, Mayapur. And today I'm super excited to share with you my current schedule, what I do every day, how I do it, why I do it, and am I happy or not with my current schedule. So probably as you can tell, I am into bodybuilding. I have been doing bodybuilding for the last 7 years. I train every day. I also, as you can see by these pictures on the wall behind me, I enjoy performing fire ceremonies. I have a project that is called Sankalpa. I have been running it for the last 4 years, doing yagyas, havans, fire ceremonies in many holy places in India. We've been to Kedarnath, Badrinath, South India, Tirupati, many places. That's what we do. So the first thing I do is I wake up. I usually wake up between 5:30 and 6 a.m. I shower, do all the toiletries, and then meditate. I like to sit down and chant my Gayatri, then read a holy book, either Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, some spiritual literature. Then, of course, drink a lot of water in the morning. It's very, very healthy because the body doesn't have any liquid from the night because you didn't drink. Drink water. After that, I make my way to the temple to pray. I stay there for around 40 minutes. Then I chant japa or chant holy names of the Lord every day, 16 rounds or 16 malas. I do all of those things and then I'm home back at around 8:15 in the morning. I make myself some fruits and something salty, some salty muri or something salty a little bit with fruits for breakfast. 8:40 till 9:30 we set up. Then from 9:30 till 10:30 we perform this fire ceremony broadcasted to the whole world through our different channels. From 11 to 12:30 I come here where I'm filming this beautiful video into the place that I call my office. Make videos, edit them, think, plan, and etc. Then at 12:30 I make my way to the gym. I work out, listen to a podcast, some motivation, some music sometimes, some bhajan if I'm feeling inspired. I work out for around 45 minutes, 5 to 7 days a week. I go take bath in the holy river Ganga, which is nearby, and it's a blessing to be so close to a holy river like Ganga, to be able to take bath in it. I get back home at 2:30. I usually eat my lunch, and then I have some rest, 1 hour, 1.5 hours to rest till I get myself back into the office or for meetings. And then I do work once again from 4:30 till 6:37. From 7 to 9 usually is the time that I like to give to my family, to something spiritual again, to end the day with something spiritual. Here in Mayapur there's kirtans every evening in different devotees' houses. So that's also very inspiring to come together, forget about everything, leave your phone at home and just join a kirtan to meditate on the Lord, sing His names. And at 9 or 9:30 I go to sleep. So this is my schedule. I'll be honest with you, I have not had this schedule my whole life. I've shared with you in my previous video the Gurukul schedule that I had. I will link it also in the link in the description so you can watch that video. I've had the schedule for the last 2 years and honestly I really love it. I really enjoy it. I feel like I get enough rest. I sleep 8 to 9 hours every day, every night. Then I get my work done because I spend a lot of time working. I do yagyas, which I love doing. I make videos, which I love doing. I go to the gym. I love doing that. I go to the Ganga. I love doing that as well. So I've made my schedule in such a way that I love every part of it. Some days, of course, you slack and you don't want to do things. That is normal. My idea was to share this to inspire all of you. At least try to give yourself some time in your schedule for spirituality, some time for yourself, some time for relaxing. And if you can do that, you will feel much happier, much better. And that way you will actually be able to achieve more, earn more, and that energy of happiness and doing the things that you want to do, even though I know, of course, not all of us want to work. I also don't want to work most of the time, but we know we have to do it. So might as well do it the way We should do it, and with happiness. If you can't do that, you will just feel so much better. So that is my call to action to all of you. Please try to make your schedule perfect for you, or at least as perfect as you can. That way, it will inspire all of you to wake up in the morning, to do all the activities that you should do and that you want to do, and it will make your life so much better. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much.